Hello, good evening, welcome to Jan's Kitchen. Today we're going to make some pulpo a la Gallega, which is boiled octopus, a traditional recipe from the region of Galicia in the northwest of Spain near the ocean. We start with boiling the water and we put in some aromatics to give the octopus more flavor, because it doesn't have much flavor from itself. So put in some carrot, celery and garlic. A little bit of salt, black pepper, spiciness, basil and tarragon. The water is boiling now, so that means I can put in the octopus. I'm going to do this the traditional way. Legs first. 1, 2, 3. You can see the legs, they curl up already. So all the way in. Low to medium heat. Lid on. And you can already smell the aromatics. So all the vegetables, the herbs, the spices, they're gonna give some additional flavor to the octopus. Altogether it's going to boil for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. The octopus is halfway through, so I'm going to put on the potatoes. They will be boiling for about 20 minutes. It's a 1 kilogram octopus, that's quite big, but no problem, it's going to shrink when it's boiling. And you can see the water has turned red from the skin of the octopus. In the meantime I made a small side salad from tomatoes and celery. Let's check if it's ready. And it feels like it's tender. Yeah, almost ready. Same with the potatoes. Almost. The octopus is ready. It looks a lot smaller than before, but it's still quite big. Now first I'm gonna slice it. Slice it into 2 pieces. At the market they already cut out the beak. Gonna cut the legs. Gonna cut them into bite-sized pieces like this. I'm gonna do that with all the legs. And then we plate it up. We put all the pieces of octopus on top of the potato. Like this. The finishing touch, some pimentón, Spanish smoked paprika. Gonna sprinkle it all over. For a smoky touch, parsley. Olive oil. And I'm ready to eat. Let's start. Nice texture, very tender, very juicy, and it has a lot of flavor from the additional vegetables and everything, so that's nice, yeah. So then we take some piece of octopus with some potato, like this. Goes very well with the potatoes. A little bit of salad.
Nice wine. Spanish Iran with Verdejo grapes. Nice blend. Goes good with seafood. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Good night.